Hmm. So I woke up few minutes back. Time is somewhere around 8 in the morning. Ah. So yesterday I went to Chembur. मजा आ रहा था यार. But the only thing is I cannot stop at one place. पहले इधर रुकता था ना वैसे नहीं. Until the GPS spoof thing happens, the matter gets solved. I cannot stop at one place. Unless and until you meet someone you know. ज़्यादा कोई मिल नहीं रहा था यार. Hmm. So I went there. I spoke with few reputed people. They said ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. ऐसा कोई किसी का कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. But it was in my head ना कुछ होने वाला है कुछ होने वाला है. That's how my head is. और होएगा भी ना मेरे को ऐसा क्योंकि I didn't know what was happening against me from past 12 years. ये मालूम पड़ा तभी बेंचो बहुत शॉक था और मेरे अगेंस्ट बहुत लोग जमा हो गए थे. They both try to get this thing. It's a shocking thing. How would I fight such a hostile crowd? But still I fought. I'm a one-side fellow there. Big people said, you're a one-side. क्या होएगा? बाकी लोगों को क्या है मेरे को क्या. हाँ. So I have to be so, what do you call it, worrying fellow because I cannot, when I go from here, I cannot afford coming back. Getting this back. When I go out of this country, I cannot afford. If I can, I could, I will. But time waste again. This getting into this daldal again. I cannot. And who contacted Eileen Auntie? Why did they do this? This place is getting sold out. Before that, I have to wind up my hearing and surgery. Don't do this here. Who did this? Now it will be very hard to convince Montero uncle. Eileen Auntie was like, don't fight, boy. Why are you fighting? I said, no, Auntie, I am not fighting. Who said this? Who gave this? I don't know, from people from Chembur or who. I don't know who is doing this. She was quite worried, you know. Already I have a record there of throwing up a beating to someone. So I thought that thing will loosen up. Again, if this thing comes, and they will, what they'll think? This boy is always fighting. So GPS spoof happened in West, GPS spoof happened in Third Street, Goldsmith Yard. What name did I give? No, Goldsmith Yard. Everyone a Goldsmith, the Karkhana. So I gave that name there. Then those people came against me because I am hunting for Sankit and Sankit is their true love. Huh? I don't give a fuck. Just waiting to get drunk. I see that pleasure. So when I go from here, this place is getting sold out. I have to, and before going to out from this country, I want to live in my town here, not in the west, but east. मुझे फिर 8-10 साल देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. Don't do this. Please don't cut my contacts. Where it is. मैं 8-10 साल देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. तो मैं कहीं पर भी जाने से पहले मैं उधर रहना चाहता है यार। तो this thing will be cleared. Over here I'll be, what do you call it? I'll put in a nice safety here. Don't worry. और वैसे भी लोगों ने बोला ऐसा कोई वो चेंबूर में है वो आंडोरे लीग, पर क्या बता उस दे फॉलोड मी टिल पुणे गोवा, तो रहेगा कुछ यार, क्या बता अभी अपने को नहीं मालूम। हाँ, but still I'll do my part. As I said, I gave my word. As I said, I will do my part, and I'll get back to my town. मजा आ रहा है। But the thing is, I was not stopping at one place. I had no, what do you call it? No means to contact anyone. I have to just keep on rotating where my friends are. So I was asking, किधर है लड़का लोग, किधर है अपने सब? So, there are not one regions. There are different regions. I have to rotate everywhere. I have to ask, where are these people? Where are these guys? In East, not in West. West, they were doing the GPS spook very nicely. Hardly 10 minutes I must have, 10 to 15 minutes I must have went there to get that weight thing. But the moment I went there, 2 of my rooms were completely in dust, covered with dust. My brothers, I guess, didn't took care of them. He should, na. He is living there at this moment. So the place he stays, only that he is taking care. Rest of the house is not. He don't have that habit of TD. Anyways, this is our personal matter. Also, what do you call it? I'll before this place is getting sold out, so I have to live in. Look, don't do this here. Look, the Eileen auntie will get very. She already. Uncle was quite disturbed. Montero uncle was quite disturbed, and Eileen auntie was like, "Why are you fighting for? Why are you fighting?" I have a good name. Even if I throwed up a beating, I throwed up a beating to a very ugly fellow who troubled auntie as well. Hearing this word? Don't do this here. Please try and understand my side. And look, why I am so struggling so hard and all this stuff. So I shouldn't be, what do you call it, pulled out back, like I have been getting pulled out from past 2 years. Someone suggested me the shopping. It's going to happen in few days. I set on something, so we have to speak. It's not that pleasure shopping. It's escape shopping. So don't worry. It's not any kind of pleasure shopping. It's only escape. प्लीज़ don't cut my contacts. वो मेरे सहारा है और यहाँ पे कैसा है, दिस प्लेस इज गेटिंग सोल्ड आउट, आई हैव टू गो सर्जरी, then a lot of other procedures, then I have to live in that town, I have to settle things as well over there. A few things like I am settling here, I have over there few things as well, I have to settle something there too, not regarding work and content but my friendship. And before going I have to see, I want to see everyone. So uh, for 5-6 months I might do this. I don't know how much time it takes. I have to wait that something fuck up happens or yes or no. That part is also there. And तो उधर के उधर निपटा देगा ना. Then I'll do what I'm supposed to do. I'm practicing my artwork, I'm practicing my what do you call it? That rock show thing is, I don't think it will be in big demand, but I'll try my best. I'm keep on practicing. मालूम नहीं कभी क्या हो जाए. So then the stuff which I'm going to do there, it's already set. My league people are already there. I don't have to worry. And I request, don't do this, please. My contacts were getting, what do you call it? Too scared. Those are poor chap. They don't want, this is not the age to tackle any kind of trouble. Like my parents, they are. सो गया, मज़ा हो गया तुम्हारा, है ना. So now it's my time to do my thing. Look, I have to be this because I cannot afford coming back. And my head works is like, head is, look, the stuff which is going in my head. कि कुछ हो रहा है क्या, कुछ होने वाला है क्या, कुछ झगड़ा या कुछ ऐसा मेरे साथ जैसा हो गया वैसा किसी को टारगेट करेगी क्या. तो मेरे को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है ये सब चीज़ों से, लेकिन किसका काहे के लिए करने का, ऐसा होना नहीं मांगता है ना. तो ऐसा नहीं होने को है, नहीं मेरे वजह से तो नहीं, उनका पर्सनल ड्राइवर ही कुछ है तो मैं आई कैंट हेल्प इट. I shouldn't be the reason of anything. So I'll settle things here, then let's see when this thing happens. This place is already getting sold out, so I have no other option. And सर्जरी विल ऑल्सो बी डन. एक अच्छा हो जाएगा, डॉक्टर नज़दीक है वहाँ पे, यहाँ से जाके वो करना बहुत हेक्टिक होएगा. पोस्ट सर्जरी आई हैव टू सी डॉक्टर रिपीटेडली, वो ही हो जाएगा. इन 1 or 2 months this place is getting sold. So don't do this, I request. Don't cut my contacts. I went to Chembur East. I didn't enjoy there, but I was feeling so better. Yeah, this town is there, वैसा ही है. So, but I didn't stop at any place. I couldn't because of the GPS book. I have to keep on rotating. एक जगह पे रुक नहीं सकता मैं. Until this court hearing, उसके बाद आया मैं 1 घंटा एक जगह पे वहाँ पे जाके बैठ जाएगा 1-2 घंटा. है नहीं, इस पे शक करो उस पे शक करो, ये चाहिए ही नहीं. You want to do GPS book? Do it. fucking come after me everywhere. See where the phone has, what do you call it, traveled. That spot, every spot, the phone should be there. If not, then बीच में क्या पानी पूरी खाने गया था? हाँ? बीच में पानी पूरी खाने गया था वो फोन? नहीं ना? Check it out. Wherever this phone traveled, that phone should also travel with the GPS spoof they were doing. So, अच्छा लग रहा है अभी थोड़ा. I'm feeling better now. अरे my head doesn't work that good रे. एक दिमाग में बैठ गया ना तो वो एक ही ऐसा होते रहता हूँ. और जब तक वो क्लियर नहीं करे ना तब तक मेरा मन शांत नहीं रहता. So I feel good now.